Hey everyone, welcome. Let's dive into relations and functions. It can seem tricky, but we'll make it easy. First, did you know that your family tree is actually a complex relation? It maps ancestors to descendants. Let's see how these ideas work in math. So, what are relations and functions? Simply put, a relation is a connection between two sets, and a function is a special type of relation. This is super important for ICSE because it forms the basis for calculus and other advanced topics. Expect to see it in multiple questions. First, let's talk about types of relations. We have reflexive, symmetric, transitive, and equivalence relations. Reflexive means A is related to itself. Symmetric means if A is related to B, then B is related to A. Transitive means if A is related to B and B is related to C, then A is related to C. Okay, what exactly is an equivalence relation? An equivalence relation is a relation that is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Think of it like a perfect relationship. It has to satisfy all the criteria to be considered equivalent. Now, let's switch gears and talk about functions. A function is a special relation where each input has only one output. We can test this using the vertical line test on a graph. Functions can be one-to-one, many-to-one, onto, or into. Here's a key formula. F, a right pointing arrow B, F is the function, A is the domain, and B is the codomain. This shows how the function f maps elements from set A to set B. A is the set of all possible inputs, and B is the set of all possible outputs. Now, let's delve deeper into types of functions. An injective function, or one-to-one function, means each element of A maps to a unique element of B. A surjective function, or onto function, means every element of B has a pre-image in A. A bijective function is both injective and surjective. Another important concept is composition of functions. F-ring operator G, X, equals F, G, X. This means you first apply function G to X, and then apply function F to the result. Order matters. Remember to work from the inside out. One super common exam trap, confusing relations and functions. Remember, all functions are relations, but not all relations are functions. Examiners love to test this with tricky examples. Here's a typical ICSE question. Let A equals 1, 2, 3, and R equals 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. Check if R is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. R is reflexive because it contains 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. R is symmetric because for 1, 2, it also contains 2, 1. However, it is not transitive because 1, 2, and 2, 3 are in R, but 1, 3 is not. Let's see a real-world example. Think about assigning unique student IDs in a school. Each student gets one ID, making it a function. This ensures no confusion and efficient record keeping. This is directly related to the ICSE syllabus through data handling and database management. Exam tips time. Always check for the domain and codomain of a function. Many students forget this. Be careful with the order of operations in composite functions. Practice identifying different types of relations and functions. Let's recap. Relations connect sets, functions are special relations. Understand the types of relations: reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Functions map inputs to outputs uniquely. All of this, AI notes, doubt solving, practice tests for relations and functions, is free on Synapse. Study smarter, not harder. Start free today at synapse.omups.in. Master relations and functions for ICSE. Please subscribe to our channel for more free lessons. Visit synapse.omups.in and start learning today.